Alright guys, it's official. I have my Trezor Safe 7s in-house. Real excited to take a look at them. As you guys have probably seen on the channel so far, I've been playing around with the Trezor Safe 5. I tend to use Ledger primarily for myself, but I've had some issues with the company as a whole, not the devices, and I've been trying to expand a little bit more. When I started playing around with the Trezor Safe 5, I mainly use my crypto on my computer. I tend not to bring it out and about with me that much. Like with my Ledger devices, I never have them physically on me. And this has given me some grief, given me some issues where it normally takes me like 3 or 4 plugin attempts to actually get things going. I've actually been thinking about making a video on that topic where I think these are going to solve that issue, so I can't wait to truly test that out because they do have the Bluetooth connectivity and the ability to kind of force pair to the Trezor software on the computer. One quick thing though, they come with this very nice little wireless charger. Again, this one is still sealed. These guys I haven't opened yet, but I have tried out the second charger that I ended up getting since I ordered 2 devices. I actually tested it out with my iPhone. It's actually a relatively strong magnet on there. The only thing I really need to test out on is when they're charging these guys is if this guy gets extremely hot. Because when I tested it using my phone, again, super good magnet. It's on there pretty well. I kind of got to force it off. This thing got incredibly hot to the point where I'm not going to use this with my phone anymore. And if you are going to be putting it near things, probably don't keep it near any paper or anything. I know it sounds really weird for this type of video, but it might be a safety concern. Just as a heads up. Might be great with these. Don't use it with your iPhone if you have one. Now let's get to the actual unboxing. We'll start with the Bitcoin one because I'm actually really interested in the look of it. I know it only does Bitcoin with crypto with this particular version of the Trezor. And sorry if I'm rambling, guys. I'm not used to doing these type of videos, as most of you probably know. But let's actually see what these guys come with. We got the device right here. We'll get a better look at it in just a second. Let's actually see what this actually comes with now. All right, the super fancy Trezor charger right here. We got our little booklet right here. Get started. Whole bunch of things that you definitely want to read. Something actually important right here, so you can fill in your seed phrase when actually setting up your Trezor device. Of course, you gotta love Trezor stickers. And more paperwork and a second. Help if I held it up correctly. Another place to store your seed phrase. All right. That actually looks really nice, really fancy. Let's do the peel, because that always sounds super, super nice. Let's press that. Get a good little size comparison across the both of them. And this does have a little magnetic fit to it. Doesn't actually stick as good as it does on the phone, but pretty interesting. So what we're going to do is put this guy right here, and let's take a look at the black one. We don't need to go through all the paperwork on that one since we already did it. And here's what the black one looks like. We will attempt to get the sticker off again. Oop, sorry for hitting the camera. Alright guys, let me know what type of videos you would actually like to see with these things. Do you want to see more hands-on? Do you want to see tutorials on full how to setups? Because in my opinion, when I set up my Trezor Safe 5, it was super simple. I'm assuming it's going to be the same, but again, I did everything on the computer. So maybe I'll try to set these guys up using the mobile phone app and see how that works out. But other than that, guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think. Are you excited about these devices, or are you more excited about the Ledger Nano that just came out? Let me know in the comment section below. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.